What's up, everyone? So I'm providing a bit of an update. Holy shit! What a day. So obviously, this is what I think is going to happen, okay? So what I think is going to happen is we're going to see a push down to this price point here Monday and Tuesday to fill this gap here. It's the last really pronounced gap until you get down to 279, 284, around there. But that will probably be at a later date. It'll probably cycle down there. However, I think we will see a big push to get to this 396.76, 399.44 mark. We're almost there. And I think that by doing it, it will just slightly put the RSI in the oversold territory just in time for the FOMC meeting that's going to take place on Wednesday. May the 4th be with us next week. So, it should be an easy week next week for everybody. As for the update today, nailed it on the freaking head. So let me show you something real quick. I actually lowballed myself. I called a close at 416, but it closed at 412, a little bit lower than I thought. But really, even 416, that was a stupid. I mean, on any given day, it was a stupid call. Except, this is how you tell. Look at the buy volume at the 427.57 price point. 0. Look at the sell volume. 0. Look at the total volume. 3.52 million. Well, hold on now. If there's 14 million buy, 16 million sell total, and then 24 million neutral total, isn't that obvious that that's going to be the resistance point here? Is 427.57? Most likely. Now, what's interesting about today is, I don't know if you can see this, but do you see the gray bars right here? This is what you want to look at. Now, let's go to yesterday. See that? Same setup, right? Now, look at the top. We only had one price with buy, sell, 0, and more neutral. Today, we had two, because we had 427.57, and then as soon as it hit 420.37, you saw this pop up with majority neutral volume. So whenever you see this, these two large, or the two most popular price points today, you're going to notice that the top one has basically 100% neutral volume, showing the intentions not for the current day, but for the future day. So what I think is going to happen again is based on what I'm seeing in the charts, what I'm seeing in the media, what I'm seeing in the narratives, what I'm seeing as far as gaps, I think this fills early next week, just in time for us to rebound for the next cycle up for the Fed meeting on Wednesday. It's happened the last two times. Don't psych yourself out. This should be a very, very, very easy week. I think we're going to go and we're going to get this MACD right around there, where this point was here, and we're going to get the RSI oversold again, maybe about right there. Then we'll be at our 52-week low, ready to pop just in time for the meeting. Oh, and by the way, as far as repos are concerned, another aspect of it is how I could tell that we're going to have a very shit day for SPY is because we had a final little push for the repo market. 1.9 mother effing trillion. What a grand finale. So if they're taking liquidity out, if we would have seen the repo go down from where it was yesterday today, I would have been concerned that we would have had liquidity injections in the PM hours this afternoon. But since we didn't, and that it went up, and we knew it went up at 12:15 Central, I doubled down on puts, and you know the rest. So, yep, worked very well. That's the update for you.